My name is Tanis, and 16 months ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I've always been really diligent about taking care of myself and having an annual mammogram. The year prior, it was just fine, and this year, it was not. So the particular kind that I was diagnosed with is called triple negative. It can be very aggressive, and it was frightening.
Any cancer diagnosis can be devastating. And so what I try to tell patients is, number one, don't blame yourself.
Every cancer biology is so different, and every cancer is almost as unique as the patient themselves. She's early stage, and we offer her upfront systemic therapy as standard of care. But she also happened to meet eligibility for one of our clinical trials.
We discuss many of these cases in what we have a tumor board. We meet once a week and talk about a lot of our complex breast patients.
How the cancer responds to treatment, how aggressive it behaves. So it's very complex. And that's what we are trying to decipher in many of our trials is what we call as personalized medicine. So we can tailor the treatment to that cancer biology.
My surgeon and my oncologist both presented me with the facts of the research study, and I decided that this would be a really good opportunity. It was about 30 years ago that my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer, and she suffered. She struggled, and treatments for her were so much different then as they are now. I'm very fortunate. But when I thought about all the reasons why I should do this research, the first reason that came to mind was for her. The first word I learned was horsey, and I drove my parents nuts so badly, and it was all downhill from there. Well, I won't lie. The chemotherapy treatment was brutal. I got through it, and now I'm really feeling good. Part of that is the wonderful team of physical therapy support staff I've had so that I could get back to doing the things I love.
Mrs. Tanis is just amazing. From the time we met, her energy has been so amazingly infectious. I'm gonna beat this, tell me what I should do.
With so many experts overseeing my care, I felt incredibly safe, knowing that even if just one person missed something, there was a whole team to catch it and ensure that nothing was overlooked.
Cancer care is not a single person's journey, it's a team effort. There's a whole slew of people who are going to help her in this journey. So that whole arc of treatment, what's rewarding is to get to that end of it and look back and say, we did it, we accomplished this. It's just rewarding in itself.
My husband and I are deeply grateful to Loma Linda, to my doctors and the research team. They always made us feel valued and expressed their gratitude towards me for being part of something that advances treatments and helps them improve their work.
We believe in whole person care. Every person that works in the cancer center embodies that. And this is the most important element of that human connection. It's meaningful. It's deeply connecting for me with what I value the most. And I think that's what makes this place special. The strides that we have made in cancer care is because of all this clinical research and clinical trials that hundreds of thousands of patients have participated. That's how we've moved the needle all along over the decades.
I don't know anyone who hasn't been affected by some form of cancer in one way or another, a loved one, a friend, or themselves. Cancer research is just so important. It's everyone's responsibility to do what they can. Otherwise, cancer's never going to go away.